Hey, my name is Jesper. I'm the founder here at Salestools and Exact Visitor. What I'm going to show you today is something that will be free for you to use so you can get started at exactvisitor.com right now. Now, we're seeing a dashboard right here. Why is it relevant to you? These are individuals that didn't fill a form on your website, that haven't spoken to you. These are hot leads that you're working hard to acquire through outbound, through marketing, word of mouth, LinkedIn content, YouTube videos, you name it. You're doing such a hard work, but now you're having these high intent leads that are ready to buy but are not buying yet. So I'm here to help you to get them to buy. So tune in. So we see this is Exact Visitor the last 7 days. 18,361 unique visitors. We actually identified 13,000 of those as companies. We know who they are. 8,619 individuals. We know who the person is, what company they're working for. These are high targeted leads we can reach out to right now. We also have engagement rate on company and personal levels, so we know who is more likely to buy right now. That's AI based and is changing all the time, which is a pretty important thing. Now I'm hitting actually who the top visitors are right now, because that's not something we're going to share, right? So let's dive into it. So this is how people tracking actually looks like. You get an overview here. I have just taken a screenshot right now before making the video. I've hidden all the other individuals that are in this list of the 8,631, I believe it was. You'll be able to see here the first person is somebody that agreed I can share his details, Alex. So Alex, he's visiting from Lisbon in Portugal. You can see here on the right side, he came directly. And his first visit was today, and he landed directly on exactvisitor.com. Now, if Zapier.ai was a huge company, I wouldn't know who to reach out to, but now I know Alex, right? So it makes my sales process so much easier. I can reach out right now. The same we do for companies. You can track companies if we don't identify a person, and then you can auto prospect by sending them to salestools.io as an example. Now, for marketers, you're gonna love this part, and this is free right now for you to implement in your website. So we have personalization. Basically personalization, create an audience, we give it a name. I'm not gonna save it, so I just put demo here. So you can go in and say either vendor visit by domain, industry, employee size, the range, company name. If you have particular companies, you want to serve your website different. Number of times, acquisition, a UTM parameter, or technology use, like they come to your website using HubSpot. Then you add that and you hit save. I'm going to hit X right now. Now, you can turn on and off these audiences and they're live instantly. So when you come to your website that you did this on, it will change immediately if you fit the parameters here. Now, if I click HubSpot right here, and I open exactvisitor.com, then you will see we load in. Now, Exact Visitor is on the modern Next.js version, so we can load in the pictures. But if you have a traditional website, WordPress or anything else, you can actually see all the pictures when you do. But what I'm interested in, and I changed this, if you go to exactvisitor.com right now, I want to show the different, how it actually looks like in real time right now. So from exactvisitor.com right now, it says know the person visiting your website. Now, because these individuals are using HubSpot, I added know who's visiting your website and sync to HubSpot as an example. I can also change the color of the text if I want that, and so on and so forth, and just hit save. When I hit save result and go back and turn on this audience, it's live every time somebody we track is using HubSpot. That website will change immediately in real time for them every time they visit. Now you can also change buttons. So if you have enterprise customers visiting, you can say talk to sales. If you have a small business visiting, you can go the product-led growth round, PLG. So you can go through your entire website, you can change everything as you find fit. And one of my favorite recommendations are, if somebody comes to your website and using Salesforce, maybe they're not interested to see you integrate with Pipedrive and Microsoft Dynamics. So you're gonna remove those. So you have a focus on their integration, their buying journey, increasing the conversion. You can also go by location of the visit. So if they're visiting from Barcelona, and you're very up to date, right? You can put in, okay, welcome from Aloha, or however they say in Spanish. I'm not fluent in Spanish, but you can adapt the website around the local language or local customs by changing the CTAs, the text. And all you have to do is to say save, go back, and turn it on, and now the personalization is live. It's that simple. So imagine you can track the people on your website, the companies, you can personalize, natively integrated with Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, you name it, all of them. And with HubSpot, there's bidirectional sync. So when you click on a person, you can see if they exist in your CRM system. For example, Alex here, you see it says HubSpot. That means he's in my HubSpot CRM system. That's why I see this button. So I know he's a lead. Okay? So go to exactvisitor.com today, and it's free. Get started. Scale your business, collect the leads that you deserve to collect, and grow. Thank you.